Hi everyone, this is Bo with Dean Safe Company, and I want to do a review on the Stealth Essential Gun Safe 28 30-minute fire rated safe. I think you're going to really like this one, especially when you find out all the features this has for a 30-minute fire rated safe and the price point. You're not going to be able to beat it. A lot of manufacturers have a 30-minute fire rated safe. I think you're going to find that this one has a lot more features than some of those manufacturers. Get right into it. On the outside is the first thing that we're going to notice. The armored black paint that this comes with, very durable. Looks sharp, feels good, easy to clean. You can't go wrong with it. Then it has a subtle American flag on the front. Good aesthetics there. The Stealth name here. Then we got two pin hinges on this one. Very durable, high security pin hinges. And then all the Essential Gun Safe that come in the Essential Gun Safe series come with a 3-spoke handle in this series. The last thing I'll talk about on the outside is going to be the American-made NL lock. High security electronic lock, easy to use. You change the battery on the outside, set your own combination. Highly, highly recommend it. It even has a light that you can push, comes down if it's real dark where you're putting the safe. Super easy to use. Now getting to the inside, you're going to see some of the best features of this safe for sure. Right off the bat, you're going to notice generally in this series of safes, most manufacturers just put bolts on two sides, on this side and the back side there. On the Essential Gun Safe 28 30-minute fire rated safe, you're going to get it on all four sides, so top and bottom and the back side and front side here, 1-inch bolts. A great little bolt system in this category of safe once again. The door is reinforced composite door, so it has two pieces of 14 gauge in there, and then on the inside protecting the locks, a hard plate and a relocker that you normally see in that higher category of safes. You're going to get it with this Essential Gun Safe series here. Has a 30-minute fire rating that we talked about, a UL rated electronic lock, high security electronic lock, American made there, and then California DOJ approved. So if you see that, you at least know that California DOJ approved on this particular safe. Another great feature is going to be the lifetime warranty on here. So zero cost to replace on attempted break-in, or fire. They're going to replace the safe free of charge for life. It's great. Then we're going to talk about my favorite feature of this safe. When you open this safe, you notice a MOLLE door panel system. Why do I love this so much? Is because I don't know how many times I go to use a safe on the showroom floor, or see a manufacturer safe, and the customers call us back after buying the safe, and they're all just, they're not adjustable. So they have to put their guns in there, they go to close the door, and then the shelf gets in the way. You're like, shoot, they can't use that. Well, with the MOLLE door panel system, this is fully adjustable. You can move this all the way around. So it comes in this particular size, comes with 6 handgun holders, a mag holder, different other pockets for miscellaneous stuff, all adjustable. The best feature about this though, is I know you guys have MOLLE capable stuff already at home. If you have a knife that you want to put in there, if you have another handgun pistol holster, you can just add it right to it and move it around. That's what's so great about the MOLLE door panel system. Looking inside here on storage, you're going to get 28 long gun storage and adjustable shelves. So on one side you're going to have the easy access U-shape. It fits about 10 to 12 long guns depending on the long guns you have. And then on the other side you can fit long guns if you adjust the shelves here. Very easy to adjust the shelves. I always recommend to our customers that come into our stores is this size safe. If you have about 10 to 12 guns, this is a great size safe for you. And the reason being is you can fit those guns, the long guns, on one side and still have the adjustable shelves on the other side to put paperwork, tax stuff, passports, ammo, all that stuff you can have on one side over there. If you happen to get that one more gun that you're going to need and you don't have room over here, you have the room over here, you just have to adjust it around. So number one complaint that we get is I should have bought bigger the first time. Here's a great example. If you're looking at a little bit smaller safe than this, go with this one. You're going to give yourself room to grow and not have to come back to us in 2 years and buy another safe. The other feature that this safe has is going to be the intumescent seal that goes around the door jamb. Why that's important with a fire-rated safe is the ability to keep the smoke and the water out during a fire. What happens during a fire, generally, it's not the heat that does the most damage in a typical residential fire. It's going to be the smoke and the water. So this swells up 7 times its size during a fire, seals that door shut. You're going to give us a call. We'll call Stealth Safes. We'll get that safe drilled open, get your stuff out, and when you're ready for a new safe, you get a free safe re-delivered in there. That's part of their lifetime warranty. It's great. The last feature I'm going to talk about on this safe is going to be the power outlet they put in here. It's a great power outlet. 3 outlets, so you can plug in 3 different things, plus it has 2 USB charging ports in there. It is a great feature that you normally don't find in this 30-minute category gun safe series. Most manufacturers will probably not put a door panel and probably not put a power outlet. With Stealth Safes, they put the best door panel, all adjustable, and a great power outlet in this safe, in this series, which is outstanding. You just don't normally see that. So I hope you guys like this. Click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the next one.